So if you didn't know, I do a podcast on a different channel every week at 8 p.m. UK time called Let's Throw It Out. And we've actually got a great guest tonight. His name is Andrew Lawrence, and he has been doing all of the drone footage on Top Gear UK, so tune in for that if you are interested. But just before lockdown, one of the hosts, Frank, he got a box load of old RC stuff that he gave to all of us and set a challenge to build something out of it. Now, unfortunately, I came down ill, so I wasn't able to do that, but I passed it on to my friend Phil. And something that was great in my box is that there was an EDF in there, so I thought that would be great, and Phil stepped up to the challenge and he has made something very interesting, so let's check out what he has done. Right, so what have we got here, Phil?
Embarrassment and shame. This is a pile of junk that one of your LDO friends gave to you and then you gave to me, which I hate you for. We're using, there's an EDF out of the box. We're using some, what are these things called? I've converted these into control horns. These are bell cranks. You find these in balsa woody airplanes. I could use one of the servos, the other one was toast. I've put a receiver on it, ESC.
Oh, those two servos are different sizes.
Different. I had to speed one up, then give the other one more movement on the computer because nothing matched, so it wasn't going to fly without some tweaking. It's made of double layer corrugated cardboard from my old TV box, so I can't take that back under warranty anymore, which is a shame. This is not sponsorship, by the way. This is a stupid theme and we're sticking with it. And along those lines, these are the carrier bag handles from the little carrier bags.
Right.
And I put these on because these are go faster stripes.
Right, yeah.
These are scientifically and biologically proven to make anything go quicker.
Right.
And as an example, if you look at sneakers, they have stripes on them, okay, so athletes run quicker.
Yeah.
Sports cars, Ford Capri 1976, 2 litre thereabouts, go faster stripes, red and blue, it will work. Biologically, if you have a look at a horse sized equally with a zebra, that's what I'm thinking of, the zebra will always win by a nose because of go faster stripes.
Right.
Black and white in that case.
Okay.
So anyway, it may or may not work. This is not hot glue, by the way. This is candle wax.
Candle wax.
And it's going to remain rock hard because we live in the UK, that's the UK. It's freezing cold now for the next 6 to 8 months.
Yeah.
So that won't go soft and floppy till about the middle of June.
Look at that EDF. I think I looked at this, you know, I think it's about at least 10 years old. Maybe
15 plus.
15 years
15,
old.
16 years old.
15 years old. And then we've got a poo bin sticker there. Don't know what sticker that is, just ignore that. And then let's drone out on the top there. Do you reckon it's going to fly perfectly first time?
No. Somebody mentioned, one of your friends, doesn't know what he's talking about. Oh, cardboard's dead floppy, that won't work. This is rock hard, okay? So double layer cardboard, which is, yeah, floppy, but laminated and taped top and bottom. That's as rock hard as you're going to need, mate, no problem. Hinging, tape on the top, 3 bits of tape, 1, 2, 3 underneath. That's it, you don't need anything.
So that was Curry Kitten saying these will be too floppy, so now I'm going to cut to it flying.
I don't do floppy, I do rock hard, mate.
So this is just Phil, he's carefully finding the centre of gravity. This thing's important.
I'm not fingering it, I'm just checking the CG out. That is roughly where it needs to be, battery all the way up the front. That'll have to do. I don't care, it's just cardboard.
It really is. I can see the model of your TV on the side of it.
Yeah, JVC.
JVC. Yeah, you can just see JVC. It is the 32C485. Anybody's interested in Phil's TV. HD. So just checking everything over, you know, doing your safety checks. We need to just make sure that this fan that Andrew / Frank...
very, very powerful thruster unit is secured with not just hot glue but a bit of tape. The hot glue's given up. It's just a bit of tape now.
So I want to just check that all of the blades are intact though. Why? On here. Why? Well, safety reasons, you know.
Okay.
Just let's have a look in this. That one's missing. It flies! Look at that! And the wind's gotten up as well. Whoa!
Trim's almost there.
Trim's almost there. Whoa!
Whoa! That needs some expo.
It looks great. Oh, bit of a splutter from the EDF there. Well, it's still in the air, Phil. I think you have won this challenge. He's got control of it and everything. Look. Oh, bit of a splutter. Oh, he's rolling it and everything. You meant to do that.
It's not bad for cardboard.
It is not bad for cardboard at all. Starting a new craze, Phil. EDF, cardboard boxes. That is a very Let's Drone Out landing, I would say, Phil. Round of applause for Phil, everybody. So how about that? My friend Phil can get absolutely anything flying, and even though our entry is a little bit late, I think we should win. Don't forget to tune into Let's Drone Out at 8 PM on a Thursday. It's not family friendly. We like to have a laugh and mess around, but this one should be an interesting one, so I'll put a link in the video description. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.